Here's a quick comparison video between the 3 and pack wrench that I have here. So that's the 3/8 HP, the mid torque 1/2 inch HP, the high torque 1/2 inch HP. So this one here, it weighs 3.67 pound. The mid torque is 3.82 pound, and the high torque is 5.381 pound. So it's quite heavier. Those two, for some reason, they're pretty similar in the weight. It doesn't. I'm going by the stats online, but this says I actually feel like way lighter than this one. So I don't know if something is wrong with the stats online. And then yeah, we're gonna look the view from the back here. So this one is way more thin, and then it gets bigger and bigger. So to give you an idea of the width here, so about 2.25. That's about almost 3, and this one is 3.25 almost. I'm gonna flip my tape measure on the other side there so you can see it upright. And then for the depth of them, so the 3/8 is about 5 inch. The mid torque here is about 7 inch. High torque, I need to make the tape measure a little bit longer for this one. High torque is pretty much 8 inch. So anyway, it gives you an idea of size comparison here. This is good for 160 foot-pound. This is good for 600 foot-pound, and this one is good for 1,170 foot-pound. So all of those tools here, they all have the 4 mode, the 3 mode, and the automatic. Those bigger tool have the 3 LED at the top here, while this one have the 1 LED at the bottom. And then those two have the metal housing, while this one have a plastic housing. And then there's a clip to have a little idea of the height of them. Alright, cheers. See you in the next video.